precaution-wise? And does this suggest that the training that medical practitioners are getting for the vaccine rollout could be insufficient?
Well, look, the first thing is on the training. We have highly developed modules. It's a requirement that anybody who participates has completed those modules. So in relation to the individual doctor, we'll leave that to the investigation as to whether or not they either did not understand or did not complete, but it was a very serious breach in terms of following the protocol. Our advice is that both doses were administered consecutively, and as a consequence of that, the nurse, and we say thank you for her strength of character and alertness, stepped in immediately. Chris? Oh, sorry.
Service delivery, there are quite often complaints about the Commonwealth not being able to do things at scale. We've seen that in the past. So this hardly inspires confidence that the Commonwealth can do the scale of job necessary.
Well, no, this is a case where I think it's very important for us to be open about these things. And this is an individual practitioner who has clearly made an error. And around the country, and you will remember from multiple press conferences, I've indicated that whether it's the flu, whether it's other things, during the course of any 1 year, there would be challenges and issues or errors. Ordinarily, they wouldn't necessarily be focused upon. They'd be dealt with through the ordinary medical processes. Because of the national focus on this, it's natural and understandable that those things which would ordinarily occur are given greater prominence, and I absolutely understand that. And indeed, I've made the decision that I thought we should address this up front to show that the safeguards that were put in place did actually work. There was an initial error. There's no getting around that. But a series of different actions, 3 safeguards immediately kicked into place. Firstly, the nurse on scene responded. Secondly, the company responded. And thirdly, the healthcare agencies, the cooperation between the Commonwealth and Queensland responded.